got some work to do now.
Until next week, Nanu, Nanu.
Warriors, come out to play.
So you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
You've got to ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
Is that all you got to tell me?
No, Mel, there's one more thing.
What?
Kiss my grand!
Let's make a deal. And now, here's America's top trader, TV's big dealer, Monty Paul.
In the great hall of the Justice League, there are assembled the world's 4 greatest heroes.
Hey, you guys!
You may hear him. Down goes Frazier! Down goes Frazier! Down goes Frazier!
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Would you be mine?
Bowling sure makes me hot and thirsty. This is a job for Kool-Aid. Hey, Kool-Aid!
Oh yeah, Kool-Aid's here, bringing you fun.
Fingers duty walking, cause you got kids dynamite doing the talking.
I injured a stone and I hospitalized a brick. I'm so bad I make medicine sick. I'm so fast, man, I can run through a hurricane and don't get wet. When George Foreman meets me, he'll pay his debt. I can drown a drink of water and kill a dead tree. Wait till you see Muhammad Ali. Hey.
Conjunction, junction, what's your function?
We are two wild and crazy guys!
Playing Hungry, Hungry Hippo! Hungry, hungry hippo!
To all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun.
2, 1.
Take.
HR, pop and step, push your bend when things get rough.
Just put in a reel and click. You can see Superman, the legendary Man of Steel, in action. You can invite the whole gang over to see him. Viewmaster Viewer and Superman the Movie packets sold separately in most photo or toy departments.
I've got a perfect puzzle for you.
It's 10 p.m. Do you know where your children are?
They say this cat Shaft is a bad mother.
Oh, baby, that's the Marathons on the Wolfman Jack Show here for a beautiful Friday night. Listen, stay tuned.
The Wonderful World of Disney.
My baloney has a first name, it's O-S-C-A-R. My baloney has a second name, it's M-A-Y-E-R. Oh, I love to eat it every day. And if you ask me why, I'll say, 'cause Oscar Mayer had a way with B-L-O-G-N-A.
Phenomena. Phenomena.
You big dummy.
Fill it to the rim.
With
brim.
Fill your cup to the rim with the rich taste of Brim.
You can win. The world keeps moving and you're standing far behind.
Well, next time.
You can rock 'em, sock 'em with the Rock'em Sock'em Robots by Marx.
Live from New York, it's Saturday night!